Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Nakabantay ki John Pong Juti Tiaring bat ki Bede ki Jingdon Kam Hakador kababibha Wanchikayo India kabadon hamaulay nongkwar.
Well, that one too, yes. As I said to you, that it's the ongoing discussion. We used to discuss every now and then, in case if any illegal movement of drugs or any illegalities, not only movement of drugs, but any other illegalities, then we used to share, we used to discuss among ourselves that, okay, this has to be stopped, this has to be improved. You see, that is a daily routine of the members of the cabinet in sharing and then discussing about any issues that we have seen it in. Everybody, we are against illegal movement of coal trucks. Why not? From day one itself, all the MDA government as a whole, we are deadly against it.
Ti kadon nam dan kata gajing kayi tu ido yang pak.
Mana jingak dan government nama kadon gajing kena ru ba. Nagi tini truk kumpa prapo from Hajar sim lum hoy jepra.
Pi ya kata kan yo, pi ni ya keren ni subject, but you on page yo kadon ni kata. Then nila instruction ya ki concern officers, nadu ki deputy commissioner ki SPs, hadu ka department concern, bakin check baik ni, nama kata ka allocation, kata ka jing initiative na ba. Then nakalian jong ni, nakalian jong government nila ay instruction baki day ban strict ba, kanang ba kanum don ka illegal transportation. Namar ba ultimately kan kata ya kan ka government exchequer.
Sir, these allegations of illegal coal mining are coming from a long time back. But don't you think that somehow it's hurting the image of the government?
See, it's like this. As I said to you, those times, we really did not know much, but we have taken a corrective measures. We said we have to stop it because, as I said to you, as government, the responsibility of the government is to make sure no illegalities happen from any quarters. That is our intention. That is the intention of the MD government. And we continue, the spirit of the MD government continue to do that, to make sure that illegalities does not happen from any quarters. Okay, from any quarters. Especially right from that time when the NGT came in and then they banned the transportation of coal.
Long kadon na kamdon pa.
Okay.
Kata gajing kayi tu ido yang.
That's what how do I know bakadon kamdon tang bag instruction we have given. Tingila dat ay ka instruction sa concern department na tangila ay instruction sa baro ki deputy commissioners sa SPs bagin check ki bro koy kanang ba kanum don kata ka illegal
long
transportation.
Kimpa dia ka report naki.
No, number 3 kani ka transportation. Kan ma batang oi. Kani ka transportation kidon gitu ki seize coal. Ki ba shubo ar ko hajana lai ko hajana san ko hajana trip ta. Ti ya kata ngi issue sala. Okay, ya kata ngi issue sala. Don't say ba kini pro ko ki truck ki ba ya kilong illegal. With legal papers they have. ठीक है. Tehn rai ngau pi lately don ki ba ong ba bayar dengan paper, ठीक है, tamadon par bayar without paper. Saya kata kada orang pingi, I instruction seki concern deputy commissioners, seki concern department, but seki concern SPs bakin long strict ia kini ke kena bakan umdon kelikich.
So does that thing about instructions given to the DCs and SPs in English?
I've already said. I told you already from the very beginning that government has given clear instructions to all the department concerns. Number 2, to all the deputy commissioners, to all the SPs concerned, to check if the allegation is true or not, and also to make sure that illegal transportation of coal or any items does not happen in the state of